welcome back. So in this video we will practice exercise number 21, 22, 23 till exercise number 30. Okay, so let's begin from the exercise number 21. So here, if you observe this model, it is easier for us to begin the drawing in front view. So you already know this is the front view, which is in these three are the projections in third angle projection. So this is the front view, top view and right side view. So we will select the front plane and draw this shape. Okay, then we will give the dimension. Go back to the software, select a new part file, select front plane, there is a system lag. Let's wait for it. Okay, now select the front plane, go to sketch, select a line and start drawing from the origin. So this is the required shape. So this is the shape in the front view. So let's give the dimensions now. 30, 10, 10, 30. So click OK, go to smart dimension. This distance here is 30. Then this is 10. This distance here is also 10. This one is 30. Then this distance here is 20. Okay, you can see it in the right side view. So this is 20. This is 20. Then this distance here is 30. Okay, from here to here it is 30. Then this distance is 10 and here it is 40. 10, then 40. So this is 10, this is 40, then this height here. So the complete height here is 50, which is given in the right side view. Okay, this height is 50. So if this, okay, here we have given this height as 20, this is 30, so the remaining height will be 20. Okay, so this will be 20. So now what's remaining, this distance is also 20. So if this total thing is 70, 30 plus 30, 60 plus 10, 70. So if this is 20 and this is 40, it will be 10. So select here, give it a width of 10. Now this figure is fully defined. Click OK. Now if you see here, there are two fillets here and here, two fillets of radius 10. So we can make the fillets. Go to sketch fillet, radius 10. So click here and click here, click OK. So now the figure is fully defined. We need to know the width. So the width is given here in the right side view. So this shape is ready. We need to extrude it till the width. What is the width is given in right side view, which is 40 mm. So go back, click OK, go to features, extruded boss base, change the direction, give it a width of 40 mm, click OK, press escape. So this is your figure. Okay, so with this exercise 21 is finished. Now let's go to exercise 22. So if you see this figure, we can make this in two parts. This is the first part. So first of all we will draw this part, then later we will draw this second part. Okay, so let's draw the first part. The height of the first part is 50 and the width is 40. Okay, as can be seen in the top view, the width from here to here is 40. So we will construct a rectangle of 40 by 50 in the front view. So this is front view. So go back, file, select the front view, go to sketch, select a rectangle, draw a rectangle, click OK, go to smart dimension. So now this distance is 40 and this is 50. So this is 40, this is 50. Okay, click OK. Now we have a circle here of diameter 20, so which is placed at a distance of 20 from the right side and 20 from the top. The depth, first of all we need to go left by a distance of 20, then go down till 20 depth. So we will get this circle. Okay, go back, select circle, place anywhere, click OK, go to smart dimension, give it a diameter of 20. Now we need to place this center. So this center is at a distance of 20 from this line. Okay, so 20, and also this same center, this center is at a distance of, go to smart dimension, this center is at a distance of 20 from the top side. Okay, now this is fully defined. Click OK, and we should know the width before extruding it. So here this figure, the width is 20, this thing is 20, okay, which can be seen in the top view. So the width is 20. Go back to features, extruded boss base, change the direction, give it a width of 20, then click OK. then press escape. Now here we have two fillets. Okay, so the fillet radius is not given, so let's take it as 20 or that means diameter 20, radius 10. Okay, so go back, go to fillet, select a radius of 10, then select this and select this, click OK. Now the filleting is also done. Now the first part is over. Now we need to draw this second part. So the second part is visible in the right side view as a rectangle. Okay, and also in the front view it is visible. So first of all, let's select this view, select the right side view and construct a rectangle, and the width of the rectangle from here to here it will be 40, and this distance is 40, and this height is 10. Okay, so this rectangle will be 40 by 10. Okay, then extrude it till 40. So from here to here this distance will be 40. Okay, so let's do it. So, and again this rectangle is at a distance of 20 from the top. From here to here the distance is 20, as can be seen in the front view. From here to here the distance is 20. Okay, this distance is 20. Okay, now let's go back. Now select the right side view, or you can simply click here and go normal to, go to sketch, select a rectangle. Okay, simply draw a rectangle like this, click OK, go to smart dimensions. As we discussed earlier, this is 40 and this distance here is 10. Then to center it we can give a dimension like this, and from here to here the distance is 10, then it will be centered. Why? Because this distance is 20, so that means it has to be 10 and this has to be 10. Okay, so we have given the dimensions and center the figure, then click OK, go to features, then extruded boss base. So in order to see the direction you can change the view to isometric and give it a width of 40, then click OK, then press escape. Okay, now we have this shape, we have a rectangle here, so we can convert this rectangle into a fillet using the command fillet. So what is the diameter of the fillet? So the radius of the fillet is given here as 20. So go back, select fillet, change the radius to 20. Now select this edge and also this edge, click OK. Now go to sketch, select a circle. Okay, before doing that we need to select the face, right click, normal to. So now select a circle and come here on the fillet in order to see the center. Once the center is visible, click here, draw a circle. Now go to smart dimension, give it a diameter of 20, then click OK, Now we need to cut this, so go to features, select Extruded Cut, then through all, then click OK, press escape, Control 7 to go back to your isometric view. So now what is remaining? Here we can see there is a fillet here and also in the downside direction. Okay, see here the front and at the top and bottom you have fillet, and again we will select fillet radius as 10. So now select fillet, the fillet radius change it to 10, and select this one and also this edge, then click OK. Now you can see it is the fillet from the two sides, top and bottom. So press Ctrl 7. So this is the required figure. So now let's go to next exercise, exercise 23. So in previous exercises we have seen many figures like this. So we need to draw a complete box, then we need to go step by step to in order to make these steps. Okay, so so the information given in top view, so we will select the top view. The length is 50 and width is 40. So select the top view, top plane, go to sketch, rectangle, draw a rectangle, click OK. Now the length is 50 and the width is 40. Okay, go to smart dimension, give it a length of 50 and 40, then click OK. Now go to features, we need to give it a height. So what is the height here? The height of the front view is 40. So go to features, Extruded Boss Base, give it a height 40, click OK, zoom to fit. Now we need to make the first step. Okay, so we can select this shape from here to here, then we need to cut first step. Okay, so let's draw this shape. In order to draw, we need to draw on this face. Select a sketch line from here. So we will draw this shape. Okay, from here to here like this. Then close this shape, click OK. Now go to smart dimensions and we need to give the required dimension. The distance from here to here, it is 20. So select this point, select this point, this distance is 20. Then this total distance is 50. So this distance from here to here, it will be 10 plus 10 plus 10, 30. Okay, so this distance is 30. Now what else? So this distance here is 10. If this is 10, this is also 10. So give here this distance as 10. Okay, so after that so it is not fully defined it. So I think here this distance is also 10. Okay, from here to here the distance is 10. So select this point, select this line, this distance is 10. Now the figure is fully defined. Click OK, go to features, extruded cut. In order to see the direction of cut, we need to change it to isometric view. Now we will cut a depth of 10. The first step, see here it is the first step. The depth of the first step is 10 millimeter. Okay, so now we will give it a depth of 10 millimeter, then click OK. Now we need to select this face, go normal to, go to sketch. Now in the second step we need this portion. Okay, this portion. So what we will do, go to select line, click here, click here, here, and close it and click OK. Now what is this distance? We need to specify the dimensions here. So this distance here is 20 and also this is 20. So this distance is 20. So once you give this 20, it's already fully defined, so no need to specify any other distances. Click OK, go to features, again extruded cut to see the direction of cut, select SE isometric, so give it a distance 10, give it a depth of 10. Okay, then click OK, press escape. Finally we need to go here, select normal to. So here we need only the triangle, this triangle of base 10 and height 20. So go to sketch, select line, draw a triangle, click OK, go to smart dimension. So the base is 10. So once you specify the base, it is fully defined because this is a constant distance which is 20, so it will automatically take the triangle. Click OK, go to features, extruded cut. Now again give it a cut of 10, the depth is 10 here. Click OK, press escape. So this is the required figure. Okay, so the lesson or the exercise number 23 is also finish it. Now let's go to 24. So here also we will draw this figure in the top view because most of the information is given in the top view. 50, 40, and the width is, sorry, the height is 40, length 50, width 40, height 40. Okay, so open a new file, then go to sketch, top plane, rectangle, draw a rectangle, click OK, go to smart dimension, give it a length 50 and width 40, click OK, go to features, extruded boss base, give it a height 40, click OK, zoom to fit. Okay, now we need to cut this. So before cutting we need to draw this shape. Okay, so in the top view we will draw this profile. Okay, so click here, normal to, go to sketch, line. So simply draw a triangle here, then draw a triangle here. Okay, so starting from here, draw a triangle, press escape, then from here draw a line like this. So press escape. Now let's define the distance. So go to smart dimension, the distance between these two is 30. So from this point to this point the distance is 30. Now from this point to this edge the distance is 30. Select this point, select this edge and give it a distance 30, and this distance from this point to the base of this triangle is 40. So from this point to this point the distance is 40, and the distance from here to the top of this triangle is 20. So click here, click on this edge, it is 20. Now it is fully defined. Click OK. Now click all these lines, this one, make it for construction, this also for construction, this line is also for construction. Then click OK, then press Ctrl 7, press escape. Now we need to create the planes. Okay, so first of all we will create this plane. Okay, this plane is passing through the midpoint and we already have these 2 points. So let's go to features, go to references. Okay, you need to go exit from the sketch. Okay, click exit, then you will see it here. Then go to references, select plane. You need to choose 3 points. Okay, what are those 3 points? This is the first one, this is the second one, this is the third one. So then you will create a plane. Okay, this is the first point, second point, and here the midpoint will be your third point. Okay, now the plane is created, then click OK. So in this plane again we need to make a sketch to cut along this plane. Okay, so then go to normal, go to sketch, select a line, and you need to select these 3 points. Okay, starting from here, first, second, third, then complete the triangle. Then click OK. Okay, go to features, extruded cut, then change the view. So it is not changing the color, that means it is going downwards. So if you want to make it upwards, click here, then it is coming upwards. Okay, then click OK, then again press Ctrl 7 to go back to your isometric view. Now what is remaining here? So we need to cut along this plane. So first of all we need to create a plane. So first of all we need to hide this plane, plane 1. Click here and hide it. Okay, now we are going to create a plane here along this point and the midpoint. Click OK. Now again go to sketch, select normal to, then select line and select these 3 points, first, second, third, join it, click OK. Okay, go to features, Extruded Cut. So now this is going downwards, so if you want to go upwards, click here, then it will change the color, that means the cutting direction is upwards. Okay, then click OK, then press Ctrl 7, press escape. So in order to hide the plane 2, click here, then hide it. So this is the required figure. Okay, so again if you want to hide the sketch 2 here, you can hide this as well. Okay, so this is the required figure. You can cross check the views. If you want to check front view, top view and right side view, you can check it from here. See, this is the front view, right side view, top view. Okay, so which are as per our diagram. So next go to exercise 25. Okay, so here we can divide this model into 2 parts. This is the first part and this is the second part. So we will draw the first part in the front view. Okay, so 70, this is 10, this is also 10. So first of all we need to draw a circle of diameter 40. Then we need to make this 30. Okay, then we can join it like this. So let's begin. So open a new file, go to front plane, sketch, line. So here this is 7. Okay, we will start from the circle. Okay, so the diameter of the circle is 40. So place the diameter, place the center of the circle on the origin. Okay, so we selected line, we need to select the circle and place a circle here. Click OK. The diameter is 40 and click OK. Then we need to make a semicircle. Okay, so in order to do that, click the line, click the quadrant here. Okay, click here and click here, then right click, select, go to trim entities. So we don't need this portion. Okay, then click OK. Now go to line. From here the distance is 30. Okay, so here draw a line, escape, go to smart dimension. So the distance here is 30, enter and click OK. So also you don't need this line now, delete that line, select line, from here go down side, then right side, then upside. Click escape, go to smart dimension, give it a distance 10. This distance here is 70 and this is 10. Now select a line and join this to this, then click OK. Now you can also create this circle, which is a concentric circle of diameter 20. So go back, select a circle, come to the circle to see the center. So this is your center. Place a circle and give a diameter 20. Now your figure is fully defined and ready. Go to features. So now what is the length of the extrusion? Here it is 10. Okay, so this is your first part. So the width of the first part is 10. So give it a go. Close the sketch. Go to features, extruded boss base. You don't need to exit the sketch. Control Z. Go to features, extruded boss base. Change the direction. Give it a width of 10. Then click OK. Then press escape. Control 7 to see the isometric view. Okay. Now this is our second part. So for constructing the second part, you can see in the front view the width of the height of the part is 10 and the width here, the width is 40. So which can be seen in right side view. So this is our first part. So this portion is given as 40. That means this is also 40. Okay, so this rectangle size will be 40 by 10. 40 multiplied by 10. So click this view, normal to, go to sketch, select a rectangle, place a rectangle like this, click OK, go to smart dimension. So this is 10 and this distance here is 40. Then click OK, go to features, extruded boss base to see the direction, change the view to isometric, then give it a width of 40, click OK, press escape. Now we need here a fillet. What is the radius of the fillet? 20. So go to fillet option, select radius 20, select this edge and this edge, click OK. So this is your fillet. Now what is remaining? This circle. So it will be okay. So here it will be a concentric circle with the same center as the fillet. So place a circle of diameter 20 there. So go back, click here, normal to, go to sketch, circle, come here to see the center. Once the center is there, go there and click, place a circle, click OK, go to smart dimension, give it 20 diameter, click OK, go to features. We need to cut this portion, so go to extruded cut, through all, click OK, Control 7, then escape. So with this, exercise 25 is also finished. Okay. Now let's go to exercise number 26. So here we can construct this figure in 3 steps, in 3 parts. This is the first part, second part, third part. So the first part will be easier for us to draw in the front view. Okay, so here this thing is, the length is 50, height is 20, 50 20, then the width will be 50, 50 20, then 50. Okay, in the front view. So select a new, select the front view, go to sketch, select rectangle, place a rectangle, click OK, then go to smart dimension. This is 50, this is 20, click OK, go to features, extruded boss base, and give it a width of 50, then click OK, zoom to fit. Okay, then press escape. Now here we can see a fillet. Okay, so the radius of the fillet is 10, so let's make it. Go to fillet, select the radius as 10, select this edge, click OK. Now this fillet is done. Then on the same face here we need to draw a circular hole. So go to sketch, select circle on the same center, okay, as the fillet. Draw a circle. No, it's not same center. Actually it is at a distance of 20 from here, and from bottom it is at a height of 20, so no problem. So the diameter of the circle is 20. Okay, so give it a diameter 20. Okay, then click OK. So the distance from here to here, okay, and in the distance from this point to this edge is actually we draw a concentric circle. Okay, that's why the problem is appearing here. So take another circle, place it anywhere. Now give it a diameter of 20. Now from this point to this edge the distance is 20, and from the center to this edge the distance is 20, and click OK. Go to features, extruded cut through all, then click OK. Then again press Ctrl 7 to come back to isometric view. So now the base is finished. The first part, which is the base, is finished. Now we need to draw this triangle. So we have done it before. This can be done in left side view. You can go to left side and draw the triangle, then extrude it. So what are the parameters of this triangle? Here you can see the width is 10, and this is 10, and if you see here the total width is 50 and this is 10, that means this remaining thing is 40. So this is 40, and here the complete height is 40, from here to here it is 20, then the remaining height is 20. So this height is 20, 40, 20, then complete the triangle, okay, from the left side view. So go back, select left view. You can select it using Ctrl 3 as well. Okay, now go click here, select sketch, line. So starting from here, make a triangle first and click OK. OK. Go to smart dimension, give it a distance 40, and here the height is 20. Then click OK. Then go back to isometric view, then go to features, extruded boss base. Now it is going outwards. To change the direction, you can click here, so it will change the direction, and give it a width. So what is the required width? 10. Click 10 here, then click OK. Press escape. Now the second part is also finished. Now we will go for the third part, so which is a L shape. Okay, so here the height is 20, width is 20, this is 10, this is 20 again, 10, 20, 10, 20, 10. Okay, so this can be done in backside view. So go to back view, Control 2. Okay, then go to sketch, line. Okay, first of all you need to select the plane. Go to sketch, select line. From here go till a height of 20 and go left side, go down, go left. So go down. Okay, then complete the shape. So now click OK. So give the dimension. So this is 10 and this is 20, this is also 20. Okay, now this is a fully defined sketch. Click OK, go to features. So to see the extrude direction, click this, go to extruded boss base. Now it is going away from the figure, so change the direction, give it a width of 10, then click OK, then press escape. So this completes the figure. With this, exercise 26 is also finished. Okay, so now let's go to exercise 27. So here first of all we will create this in a single part. We will create this as a single part with this big rectangle of 30 and 20. Then we will cut it as per the need. Okay, so we can construct this in the front view. The total length of the figure here is 50 plus 20, because the diameter of the bigger circle is bigger semicircle is 40, so the radius will be 20. So 50 plus 20 will give you 70. So this length here is 70. Okay, then the total height is 30, here it is 20. Then if this is 30, this will be 40. Okay, then like that you can create this shape in the front view. So for this, open it. Go to front plane, go to sketch, line. So we need to draw this shape. So draw the shape first. Then click OK, go to smart dimensions and give the dimension. This is 30, this is 30, this is 40, and this is 20. That's it. So it's fully defined. Click OK. Go to features. Now we need to give it a extrusion till the complete width. So the width here is 40. Okay, this is 30 and this is 10. 30 plus 10, 40. So go to features, extruded boss base, change the direction, give it distance of 40, then click OK. Now here we have a fillet again of diameter 40, that means radius 20. So let's make the fillet first. Go to fillet, radius 20, select this edge and select this edge, click OK. Now we need to draw the circle, and it is from the same center. The radius will be the diameter is given as 20, so we need to place a circle on the same center as the fillet with diameter 20. So click here, normal to go to sketch, circle, come here to see the center. Once the center is visible, click here, place the circle, click OK, go to smart dimension, give it a diameter 20, then click OK, go to features, then extruded cut through all, then click OK. Then again to come back to the isometric view, Control 7, escape. Okay, now we need to cut this. So first of all, let's cut this figure in the right side view. Okay, select right plane, then we can cut it from here to here. Okay, right plane. So here the height is 10. Okay, this height is 10. So we can do it like here the distance is 30. Okay, this distance is 30 and this distance is 10. So 10, 30. Okay, we can chamfer. So we need to chamfer it like this, or we can simply create this line and create this triangle and we can cut it like this. Okay, so click this face, normal to, then go to sketch, draw a triangle, click OK, again OK, go to smart dimension. So this is 30, this distance here is 10, then click OK, go to features, extruded cut through all, press escape, Control 7. Okay, now we need to cut. So from the right side view we already cut it. Okay, now we need to cut it in the top view. Okay, in the top view we need to make this triangle. Okay, this triangle 20 and the base is 20, height is 30, 20, 30, make this triangle and cut it. Okay, So click this face, normal to, go to sketch, line, draw a triangle, click OK, go to smart dimension. So it's already 30, no need to define it. So we need to define only this length, which is 20. Click OK, go to features, extruded cut. So we need to cut it. So in order to see the cutting direction, we can select the isometric view, then decrease the length till 20. Okay, then click OK, then press escape. Now this exercise is also completed. Exercise 27 is also completed. Now let's go to exercise 28. So exercise 28, also we can construct this model in 3 stages. This is the base, this is the first part, this is the second part. So the base is of a length 70. See here in the front view, in the top view it is given as 70. So as in the front view it will be same. The length is 70, height is 10, and width is 40. 70, 10 in the front view. Okay, open it, go to front view, go to sketch, select a rectangle, from the origin place a rectangle. Okay, go to smart dimension, give it a length 70 and a height 10, then click OK. Go to features, extruded boss base, change the direction, give it a width of 40, click OK, zoom to fit. Now what is remaining? This portion. Okay, this portion we can draw in the back side view also. Okay, from the back side. So the height will be 30, this will be 10. Okay, first of all let's construct this rectangle of 30, 40, 30. Okay, or this is 40. Okay, so if it is 40, then this is extra 10, so which will be 50. 30, 50. Okay, from the back side. So go back using Ctrl 2, click here, go to sketch, place a rectangle, click OK, go to smart dimension. So here the height is 30 and length is 50. So this is 30 and length is 50. Then click OK, go to, or else you can connect, you can also construct this semicircle here of diameter 20. Okay, so go to circle, construct a circle, click OK, give it a diameter of 20, and this center of the circle is at a distance of 20 from here. Okay, so from this point to this edge the distance is 20. Then click OK, and we need to trim the unwanted entities. Trim entities, click here, then drag, then click OK. So now to see the direction of extrusion, select isometric view, then go to features, extruded boss base, reverse the direction, give it a width of 10, click OK, then press escape. Okay, now I think this is more than 10. It is actually 20. The extrusion is 20, so we need to change it. So in order to change it, go to edit feature, make it 20, click OK. So now what is remaining? This triangle is remaining. Okay, so we can, so before this triangle, if you see here, there is a chamfer. Okay, the chamfer is at a angle of 45 degrees and the distance is 10. Okay, so now select chamfer, select 10 and 45 degrees, then select this edge, then click OK. Now it's got chamfered. Okay, then what is remaining? The triangle. So the base of the triangle is 20 and height will be 30. Same in the back side view. So again, go to back view, select this face, go to sketch, line, from here go till here, make a triangle. So once the triangle is completed, we need to give it a width of 10. So to see, again it's going outside, change the direction, give it a width of 10, then click OK, press escape. Now exercise 28 is also completed. Now let's go to exercise 29. Okay, this also can be done in two parts. This is the base, this is the first part. Okay, so in order to create the base, first of all we need to construct a bigger circle of diameter 40, then make it a semicircle, then from here 30, then close it. Okay, and also we can make a semicircle here and cut this portion and extrude it directly in the top view. So close file, click OK, top plane, go to sketch, select a circle, draw a circle, click OK, dimension, it is 40 diameter, click OK, select a line, make it a semicircle, then click, select, go to trim entities, we don't need this part, and also we don't need this part, click OK, go select line, from here draw a box. Okay, then click OK. Now at this center we will, okay, first let's define the lengths. So here this length is 30, so no need to define this because it will be also 30. Now at the midpoint here we need to place a semicircle of diameter 20. So go to circle, come to the midpoint, click here, place a circle, go to smart dimension and give it a diameter 20. Then we need to trim the unwanted portion. Go to trim entities, click and drag, then click OK. So what is remaining here? Nothing. Okay, so we can extrude it. So extrude it till a height 20. So go back, go to features, extruded boss 20, click OK, press escape. Now again we need to draw this second part here, okay, and extrude it till a height of 20. So let's make this shape. So the smaller circle here is of diameter 20. Okay, so click on this face, normal to, go to sketch, circle, place the cursor here so that you will see the center. The center is still at the origin. Place a circle, click OK, go to smart dimension, give it a diameter 20, click OK, then make it a semicircle by placing a line through the quadrants. Right click, select, go to trim entities, trim these two, click OK, go to line, and this time we need to know the length of this line. So it will be 10. So you can see here this length is 10. Okay, so click here, click again, click here, and click here. Similarly, select the line, click here, and click here. Now we need to give the dimension. Go to smart dimension. This is 10. This is also 10. Click OK. Let's try if the extrusion works. So we need, yeah, close sketch with model edges. Then you can select yes. Okay, now it will go along this edge and complete the shape. Now in order to see the direction, go to SE isometric and give it a width. So it is 20, then click OK, then press escape. Okay, so this completes the exercise number 29. Now let's go for the last one in this video. So this model can be constructed again in few parts. So this portion is the first part, this will be the second, and this one will be the third part, this will be the fourth part. Okay, so first of all let's create this standing portion, so which is clearly visible in the front view. Okay, so the front view measures this is the completely, it is 50, so we need till here only. Okay, so 50 minus 10 will be 40, the length will be 40, the height will be 50, 40 by 50. Okay, in the front view. So open a new, then go to front plane, sketch, rectangle, click OK, go to smart dimensions, it is 40 and the height is 50. Then click OK, go to features, extruded boss base, give it a width of 10 because this is 10. Okay, the width here is 10. You can see here, if it is 20 and this radius is 10, the remaining will be 10. So now here we can see a chamfer. So this chamfer is of 20 and 10. Okay, so go to, press escape, zoom to fit, go to fillet, chamfer, select distance, select asymmetric. First distance is 20, second is 10. Click this face, distance 1 is 20, distance 2 is 10. We need the same thing, right? So this is 20, this is 10. Okay, then click OK. So now the chamfering is done. Now you need to place a circle here. So this circle is of diameter 10. Okay, select the face, normal to, go to sketch, circle, place a circle here, click OK, dimension, diameter is 10. Then the distance from the center to the distance from the no, it is not selecting. The distance from this point to the center, actually. The distance from this point to this edge here is 10. Okay, and from the base it is, this is 10. Okay, so, and from this chamfer it is at a depth of 10. So click here, and this distance is also 10. Then click OK, go to features, extruded cut, through all, click OK, then press escape, control 7. Okay, now the first part is finished. We need to create this part. Okay, so this part can be constructed from the left side view. Okay, here the length is 40. Okay, you can see here this is 40 from here, and width is 10, 40, and the height will be 20. Okay, so it will be 40 by 20 rectangle in the left side view. So go to left side view, from this base go to sketch, select this face, rectangle, from here draw a rectangle, click OK, go to smart dimension, this is 40, and the height is 20. So once you did this, click OK, go to features, extruded boss base, to see the direction of extrusion, select isometric, change the direction, click here, we need extrusion of 10 mm, click OK, press escape. Now here we see a fillet, So the radius of fillet is 10. Okay, from the same center we will draw a diameter 10 circle. Okay, first of all let's create the fillet of radius 10. So go to fillet, radius 10, this edge, click OK. So then click on this face, normal to, go to sketch, select circle, place the cursor here so that you will see the center. Go to center, click and drag, place a circle, go to smart dimension, give it a diameter of 10. Click OK. Then go to features, extruded cut, again give it through all. OK, Control 7 to come back to isometric view. Okay, now this second part is also finished. Now let's construct this portion. Okay, this can be constructed from here. Or you can simply construct this in the front view itself. Okay, you need to construct this shape. Okay, then extrude till a width of 10. Okay, so here this is 10, it is 20 already there, so we can easily create it in the front view. Click here, normal to, go to sketch, line from here to here, then connect this, come here, then close the shape, click OK. Okay, go to smart dimension, this is 10. Okay, then click OK, go to features, extruded boss base, isometric, select 10. OK, then press escape. Now the last one, this part. Or simply you can edit this sketch. Okay, edit sketch, select normal to, Control 7. Here you can make it a extension of 10. So go here, select this line, so now go to trim entities, we can cut it so as to make this shape. Go to smart dimension, so this is 10, this is also 10, so no need. Now then exit the sketch. Okay, Control 7. So now you made this shape. Okay, still we did not complete the shape. Or we can go to this one, we can give a direction to, here also we can give it 10, then click OK. Now we made this shape. Okay, now press Control 7. Now we need to fillet this portion here. So this is also of radius 10. Okay, you can see it in the top view, it is radius 10. So go back, go to fillet, select this fillet radius is 10. Now select this one, click OK. So now with this, the lesson number 30 or exercise 30 is finished. Okay, so in upcoming 2 videos I will try to cover from 31 to 40, and in another video 41 to 50. Okay, thanks for watching.